Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 23rd and it's Thursday. So let's go, over the overall sentiment of the market. Today was actually very choppy, at least in the small cap. I had few good trades and then more bad trades, right? Or the bad trades actually didn't like follow up, right? So let me show you the most valuable lessons based on the charts and based on my entries, right? These examples are more clear and more picture perfect patterns that for you to see, right? And as you get better at looking at these patterns, you'll be able to spot them out more better. So like SGBX was first. Let's go to my watch list. Sorry. So just like any other day, I come to my station and then I pull up my scanner and then I see the stocks I was watching, right? MIC I was watching, but it was a bit on the expensive side. ENTX I was watching, YVR, CBAY, IMMP I was watching, JILL I was watching. So yeah, these were the stocks I was watching, right? So now let's go over SGBX. I had an entry on SGBX for a break of 3 right here, and I got in here and I sold some on the way up. Let me see if I can pull up my yeah. If you look down here, you'll see my order window. So if I pull up SGBX, I got in. Let's see. Yep, right here. Right, I got in right here at. Yep, I got in at 3. Sold some 3. Oh, sold one at 308. I guess I don't know why I did that. Sold some at 307. And then let's see, and then sold some at 313. It sold, I think, the rest at 308. So that was a good move, right? So again, the reason why that was good because one, $3 is a psychological level as well, and plus this was a pattern that I look for right here, right? So that's why it worked out. Um, Another good move I had was on CBAY. Let me just remove this first. CBAY, CBAY. It was very choppy. I'm even surprised on the move I had on this one earlier. But I also lost majority of the money on this stock as well, right? So CBAY, let's see. I got in on my best move, right? Was at 487. I got in at 487 and which probably was around maybe let's see 487. I think it was around this area. I was looking for a high of day break, so I got in around 487 because on level 2 I saw there was a lot of resistance and big sellers. So if you broke through that, you know, I would see a move up. And then also there was a big green candle. Um, so yeah, I got in there and I sold some at 492, sold some at 487, sold some. Oh, so I guess okay. So I got in at 487 and then sold some at 492 and rest broke even. And then I guess I got in again and then got out, got in again, got out, right? And then I got in again at 491, right? And then sold some at 499, sold some at 507, and sold the remaining at 490. So, um, and I guess I got in again, but I lost on that, right? A 10-cent loss. So I had good trades on CBAY and also some bad trades that didn't follow out, right? So as you can tell, it didn't make new highs. So that's why the stock was very rippy. Um, so let's see what else. I also traded YVR. YVR, I got in for a red to green move, and I sold some pretty much. I got in on 223, I think. Let me just double check. Let's go back. 220. I got in at 220, sold some at 227, sold remaining at 224. Um, PLM was pretty much a scratch even trade. Got in and got out with like a 1 cent loss or something. So YVR, got in around this for red to green move, sold some on the way up. Obviously sold way too early because the stock went much higher than that. So as you can see, overall today the market was choppy, and it was. I don't know. I tried my best today. So today's P&L, I'm actually red, and I'm red by $102, which is good, because I am managing my losses and I'm keeping them very small, and my daily max loss is $100. So at that point, I got to respect my loss, right? I got to respect the game. I got to respect the trading game, because if I want to trade, I need the capital. So that's why I got to respect my $100, daily loss. There's always going to be stocks moving today, tomorrow, the next day, right? But you got to keep your losses small. Even if the stock is moving, let's say after I'm down 100, it has to be like A plus 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 setup, right? And even if I do take the trade, it's going to be a breakout or a bailout. That's it. So that's like my hard rule. So definitely, guys, when the market is choppy, you can still practice the skill of risk management, right? Keeping your losses small. Practice that on choppy days. Don't think of it, oh, it's choppy, I'm gonna, don't be stubborn. Like, practice, keeping your losses small. That's a skill in itself. And that's gonna help you at the end of the month when you have less and smaller losses and bigger greens, right? So definitely just stay aware, and hopefully you guys are green, and hopefully tomorrow, Friday, we get, a night's momentum going. Other than that, subscribe to my channel. Most of you guys that are watching are not subscribed and liking the videos. Please do that. That helps me out a lot. Other than that, you can also check out my Twitter. So if I go to my Twitter, you'll see the watch list, right? The watch list was here, the ones I was watching. So SGBX was right here. CBAY was here. YVR was here, right? So that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow.